my friends? How are you? Hungry Mama Me here, and I sure am hungry. Today is the day that the unicorn drink comes out from Starbucks, and I am on my way to try it out. We'll see how it tastes. I don't know. It's supposed to be, I guess, pink and be like a Frappuccino or a I guess a Frappuccino. And I think it has like candy, sour candy on top. We'll see. I'm getting ready to go home also and have a mukbang. I'm gonna make pizza, homemade pizza. But right now, I'm gonna try to fit in the unicorn from Starbucks. So let's see. I'm almost there. I'm pretty excited about it. I've been waiting all day till it got just a little bit after lunch, you know. I had my lunch and let that digest, because I can't handle too much, you know what I mean? And that's why I don't do too many reviews, because it's, for me, you know, how much can you eat during the course of a day? I went yesterday and I was going to do a review on the Fruit Loop milkshake. I have it sitting in my freezer. Will I get to do it? I don't know. But anyway, we're here and we're going in. So come on along with me. Let's see how this goes. Money in my pocket. And we're ready to go, my friends. I'm going to turn you around. You can see what's happening. Gorgeous day today. A little bit colder than it has been. It's probably in the, I guess like the 60s today. Let me flip it around, guys, because I don't want people to see that I'm recording inside there. I gotta lock my door to my car too. Okay, let's flip you. Okay, we're on our way in. Sorry about the spinning. What they have inside. Ooh, everything looks so good, right? But they're always so expensive. My finger's covering. Oh my goodness. Really? Sorry guys. I didn't mean to do that. I'm a singer, you didn't know that. Oh, just kidding. I had said before when I was singing that I was an opera singer playing around, and then I had somebody say, oh, you were an opera singer? Where did you sing opera? But not really. So let's see, my friends. Okay. Almost there. Oh, I'm pulling out dollars instead of, this thing is definitely not $1. That's for sure. Okay, let's see. Come on, we're in a hurry. Do you ever notice how long it takes in Starbucks? Always long time. Let's So yeah, trying to pretend like I'm talking to you instead of anything else. But we'll see. Did the unicorns come out? Could I get one, please?
What size?
All right, just hold on. Just small, not too big. Thanks. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. Paying for it now. Yeah. Can you see in here? Uh-huh. All right. Almost. Every time I raise my hand, it covers up. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm trying to act like I'm talking to somebody on the phone, but they keep looking. You know, you go in a lot of the places and they'll tell you to turn off your phone. They'll tell you can't record in here. I'm not doing anything wrong, am I really? No. What's this? Crispy rice. Looks good. So we'll sit down a minute while we're waiting, just so I don't look like I'm too obvious in what I'm doing. And I'm trying not to record anybody, you know? But that's not always easy. Oh, you know, I wonder if this comes with the coconut milk. I'm looking at a sign over there. That looks good. That's different. And that says that it has coconut milk. I totally stopped coming to Starbucks a few years ago because I didn't think they had coconut milk or almond milk or anything like that, but obviously they do. It looks really good. Ooh, I see it coming. I hope that's mine. We shall see. In a box. There you go. I don't know if that's mine or it's not. Is that yours? Must be mine. Thanks. Yeah, right? Thank you. All right, my friends, let's see. She lays it on the counter and doesn't say a thing. Can you see it? And there's another girl waiting there, and I'm thinking it's hers. Where do they get these people? I don't know. But it's a small one. This looks like a kid's drink, for sure. I mean, normally I would never get anything like this. If baby Nino was with me, he'd be freaking. But I'm sure it has coffee in it. I didn't really get to look up the ingredients or anything. I just seen that it was coming out today. So we're gonna give it a try. All right, my friends, I gotta shut you off again and turn you around. Okay, here we are. Did you see that? I almost spilled it. Oh my goodness. That would have been a tragedy. So this little thing was over $4. I don't remember exactly. I was trying to act non-suspicious, you know? I'm not too good at this. I haven't really did it too often where I go inside. But let's take a look, my friends. See inside there? It looks delish, right? Okay, let's try it. I haven't drank milk in a really long time, so I can tell that it's milk. I probably should have asked for coconut milk or almond milk, but I was so, you know, flustered because it's my first time really going in a place and trying to act like I wasn't doing anything wrong. And it's really not, but people get paranoid sometimes, you know. But I got ice cream in the car too, and it's warm, so we will get this over with. I mean, I'm getting a sweet taste. I'm getting like a I like it. The more I drink it, the more I like it. I'm going to get a brain freeze. Goodness. It kind of reminds me of, did you ever have like an icy from 7-Eleven, or I guess that's what they call them. I don't know them really by any other name besides like an icy. It reminds me of that. I'm hitting some pieces of tartness, like a Sour Patch Kid would taste like. Some of it is very, wow, very bitter. Okay, so it's definitely, it's good. It's really good. I know they're only having these till like the 23rd or something of this month. So if you want one, you better go out and get it. I am enjoying it. No doubt. Down bottom is more of the sweet taste. And it tastes like a syrup. It tastes like a candy, a sweetness. And I can taste the milk. And then as you come up higher, you get a bitter taste. But a sweet bitter. A good sweet bitter. I think it's excellent. So for me, from a 1 to a 5, my kids would love this. But I think it's got caffeine in it, right? I'm sure that it does. From a 1 to a 5, I would give this a 5. A 5. Yep. A 5. I like it. I like it a lot. I would definitely come back and get this. Does that make me a big kid? I don't know. But for me, it's a good thing. So until I see you guys again, this is Hungry Mama Me. And subscribe, like, comment if you like this video. And tell me what you think. But for me, I say it's a go out and get. Make sure you give this a try. Definitely. I may come back again before, you know, the 23rd. So, who knows? But I think it's good. Definitely a good one. So, until I see you again with another review or another video, don't forget to hit that bell so you get notifications every time I put out a new video, which is usually every day. Either a mukbang, recipe, whatever it is. So this is Hungry Mama Me, sending you all my love. May God bless. And I'm out.